so in today's video I'm going to be decluttering all of my makeup products. I'm going to be going through it and try and be really harsh on myself. If you've seen any of my really old videos, I know a lot of them are unlisted now, but I used to do a ton. My channel was primarily just a beauty channel, so I had tons and tons of makeup, but over the years I've definitely decluttered a lot. So the amount of makeup I do have is definitely small compared to what I used to have, but it's still more than I need or more than I use. So I figured in this video I would just declutter it, and I figured you guys could just come along with me as I declutter. So here is the first section of my makeup. I just have some small things in here, and I figured I'd go through this first because it will definitely be the easiest to go through. And ignore me, my allergies are terrible. So in this drawer, I just have some lip liners, chapstick, and just leave what I actually use. Was pretty easy because there really wasn't much in here, so I am getting rid of these things. These things are just old. This is the wrong color, and this pretty much dries out really quick if you do not use it. And then this I bought maybe 5 years ago, so it's definitely not good. So the next thing I have to tackle is this drawer. There's a lot of stuff in here. So I think I'm just gonna pull everything out and then just put back in what I know I do use or like use seasonally, because some of my makeup only works in the summer, for the winter, things like that. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So this foundation is a foundation they actually don't even make anymore, and it is my perfect summer color, and it's the foundation I use when I travel too. And I won't get rid of this because it's literally one of my favorites and they don't make it anymore. And I know it's old, but I do not have acne prone skin, so I'm okay with keeping this. But you know, generally you don't want to keep makeup that's, you know, old. Some of the stuff that I've put over here. These powders, I just don't reach for them anymore, and like this eyeshadow palettes, I don't really reach for. These correctors, I don't use. This mascara is bad. Put this stuff back. This palette, I've used up all the colors that I actually use, so I'm not going to be keeping this. Do that so we can actually see the tag. And then this is my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, which I did use, and I do like the colors in this. I'm just not 100% sure if I want to keep this yet, so I'm gonna put it to the side, and then we can work on the next drawer. And fun fact, both these drawers used to hold all of my makeup plus more. I used to have more drawers filled with makeup. That's how much makeup I had, because I was crazy. Now this drawer holds most of my everyday makeup, so shouldn't be getting rid of too much here, but you never know. So So this is everything that I'm getting rid of. I got a few palettes, highlighter palettes, eyeshadow palettes, some powders, contour palette, a couple of foundations, old mascaras, lip liners, just different things that I know for sure I'm not using. I definitely wish I would have gotten rid of more, but baby steps. And then for what I'm keeping, I'll just show you guys how I organized everything. So I have all my brushes up here, and for the most part all the brushes are kind of the same ones, and I have a lot of them because I hate cleaning my brushes. So as they get dirty, I could just pull out another one and clean them all once they're all completely dirty, which I probably have to do soon. In this first drawer I just have some of my sponges and a thing to clean my sponges. In the second drawer I just have some lashes and some eyeliners. This third drawer I put my eyebrow stuff. So it's a lash serum, my eyebrow tint, and just different powders and stuff that I do use. And then this bottom drawer just has lip products. Some lip liners, some lipsticks, and some chapsticks. Because I'm constantly losing them. And I did get rid of a couple. Okay, and then for the drawer, I just decided to make this my eyeshadow palettes, which I did keep a few of them, but they're all for different reasons. These are more neutral palettes, and I can take them if I go traveling because they have all the colors that I would need. These are a few more colorful ones if I want to do something different. And then these are just some favorite single eyeshadows that I like and don't want to get rid of. And then I have all my highlighters here. Depending on my mood is the type of highlighter I use. Lately I have been using this Ofra one, which is really nice. And this one's kind of messy, but I do enjoy it. And I do have a highlight palette that goes in here. And then down here is going to be my face drawer. So I have all my foundations, some powders and blushes and primer, and then my concealers will go in here too. I only have one concealer, and then I have some face sprays. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys had fun decluttering with me. I definitely have more of these planned for the future because I have a lot of things to declutter through. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of content, and it also helps out my channel a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified every time I upload a video, and I will see you guys in my next one.